Hello students, welcome to our today's online class. This is Hussain Mohammad Khan, and today is the first day of your class with mathematics. I hope all of you are excellent by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today we are going to discuss about algebraic formulae and applications. Okay, let's start. First of all, what is algebraic formula? Any general rule or corollary expressed by algebraic symbols is known as algebraic formula, in short, formula. Alright, different types of mathematical problems can be solved by this formula. Today we are going to learn some formula and their corollaries, and with that formula we try to solve some questions, some problems. In your previous level of education, that means in class 7 and in class 6, you have learned a lot of things like multiplications of algebraic symbols or expressions, like say first we just do some warm-up works. That means if you multiply a times a, what can you get? You will get a square, right? You all know these simple things. Or if we just multiply a square times a cube, what can we get? We just can get a to the power 5. And how is that? Here we have to say that the power of the first a is 2 and the power of second a is 3. So to calculate easily, we can just add the powers and then write with a single a as power. This power is also known as index or degree. So now if there are more than one letter, like a plus b, you have to multiply this one with, say, a. So what can we do? We just simply can do, we multiply this a with this a, that means we can get a square, and in the middle there is a plus symbol, so we write plus, and again we multiply this a with b, that means ab, right? Now for again, let's say if we want to multiply this one, a plus b, with another a plus b. So how can we calculate this one? At first we have to multiply this a with both a and b, and in the middle we will use this plus symbol. That means a times a will be a square. Then in the middle there is a plus symbol, so we write plus symbol. Then a times b will be ab. Again in the middle there is a plus symbol, so we write this plus symbol, and then we multiply this b with this a, that means ab again, and b times b will be b square. So if we calculate here, we will get a square, and there is 2ab, ab plus ab, that means 2ab, and then a square, b square. So what we get, actually what we did here, we know that a times a will be a square, so a plus b and a plus b times, if we times both this thing, we will get a plus b whole square. That means there will be a bracket and then a square. This formula you have learned in class 7 already. So if we do this thing here, multiplication symbol, cross symbol or dot or nothing, you will do multiply. So this thing become a plus b whole square, and this formula we can directly write like this. We can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this multiplication, in short, we can use for any kind of multiplication of the same thing, or if we want to find the square of a certain uh, algebraic expression, that means that is related to or similar to a plus b, like this thing, then we can use this formula. We also can discuss how this formula come from, where it comes from. You know that if there is a square like this, and the side of this square is a, you know, all the sides of a square is equal. So what is the area of this? Area of this, the area will be, this side is a, so area will be a square, right? So this is the area. Now what happens if we add just another uh, say if we just add or extend this side as another side, like b in both sides, like this one. So what happens here, if both these sides are extended, say this is b, so a plus b, this side is a, and we add another portion that is b, and we say here this is also b, so a plus b. So if we find the area of the bigger triangle, this total square, we can say that this is a plus b whole square. So this is this medium sized square area is a square, and also there are two more, say this side is extended as b, so area of this square is b square, right? This is b square because this side is b, this side is b, and this area is, say this area is a times b, right? This is a, this is a rectangular shape, so a times b, so this area is a times b, that means ab, and also this area is also ab. This is also a rectangular shape here, and this is ab, this is ab. So if there is a a plus b whole square, means there is an area like a square, there is an area like b square, and also there are two areas like ab and ab, so this 2ab is called 2ab. Alright, this theme or this idea is already in your book. That means if you open page number 50, then you can get this algebraic formula in your math book or textbook. This formula is right here. So if we want to make a plus b, then we get a plus b whole square, we will get a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we want to go to next page, that means page number 49. There are so many formulas and corollaries we can actually learn today. So the first formula is formula number 1. This formula number 1, we can say a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is number 1 formula of your textbook. And formula number 2, if there is a minus here, just a minus b whole square, then we will get a square minus 2ab plus b square. These two formulas we already learned in class 7. Now there's formula 3. Formula 3 number says if we just get a square minus b square, we can also write a square, we can write a plus b, a minus b. In other words, the difference between squares of two numbers will be the product of their summation and product of their difference. This is the idea of formula 3. Now formula 4, if we say formula 4, x plus a is one algebraic expression and x plus b is another algebraic expression. If we multiply these two, we can get x square plus a plus b times x plus a times b. So here this ab actually indicates times, that means a times b. And with this two formula, actually formula 1 and formula 2, these two formula are so important that we can make some corollaries from using this um, formula. In your textbook page number uh, 49, you can get the 6 corollaries here. Corollary number 1 says a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This is another corollary, or you can say formula. Then a square plus b square, you also can write a minus b square plus 2ab. That means if you want to switch to minus their difference, then you can use this formula. All those formula came from formula number 1 and 2. All right. Then you can write a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. This is also came from the formula 1 and 2 combinedly. And a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. This also came from there. Another one, 2a square plus b square is equal to a square plus b, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. And 4ab is equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Or this format, you can just divide both sides by 4, and then you can write a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b whole square. Actually this formula and this formula both are similar, but two different forms only. Okay, now let's go for an example. If you say see example 1 from page number 49, you can see that find the square of 3x plus 5y. That means we want to example number 1, we want to find the square of, the question is square of 3x plus 5y. So what can we write in the next line? Next line we can write 3x plus 5y whole square. Now say this is this 3x we can treat is like a, and 5y we can treat like b. So a plus b whole square, that means if we remember the formula of this one, we can write easily 3x, that means a square plus, in formula we had 2 times a means 3x, times b means 5y, and plus b square means 5y whole square. You can if you see carefully that I use a bracket, first bracket, because there are two numbers here, say 3 and x, so we use this bracket and then we put square here. So now if we square 3, we will get 9, and then x square. Now if we multiply all these numbers like 2, 3x and 5y, if we multiply all these things, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30, so we'll get 30xy. That means in xy, if we multiply xy, we just get xy, and then plus 5 squared, that means 5 squared and y squared. So 5 squared means 5 times 5 is 25 y squared. And this is the answer of example number 1. Now if you practice the example 2 from page number 50, you can see another one. Find the square of, if we just read the question, find the square of 25 by applying the formula of square. Here you easily understand that 25 is rewritten as, here just 25 rewritten as 20 plus 5, and then use the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we get the answer 625. Next, example number 3. Find the square of 4x and c. 4x minus 7y. So example number 3. Example number 3 says square of 4x minus 7y. So what is 4x? What can we write? 4x minus 7y and whole bracket is square. Then if we put, say, 4x is the a, so we get a square, and then for this minus, the formula has a minus, and then 2 times a times b means 7y, and then b square means 7y square. So if we write here 4 times 4 is 16x square, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56 xy, and then 7 7s are 49 y square. So this is the answer of example number 3. Now we just go to the next workout. We have a lot of things in exercise number 4.1. Here in exercise number 4.1 you can see that there are a lot of maths for practicing. Here number a, number b, number c, d we have already done exactly like example number 1. This is example number 1, exactly similar like example 1. This is also like example number 1, right? And this is example number 3. This is also example number 3. This is also example number 1. This is example number 3. So if we just do number e, let's say we do number e, we have to find the square of x cube minus xy. So we have to do x cube minus xy whole square, and we need to do, if we say this is the a, so this is our a. Now we write to a square minus, in formula we have a 2, then times a means x cube, and then we have b means xy, and then we have a plus, and then xy, that means b square means xy square. Now we all know that if power have a power, then we need to multiply the powers. That means x cube, here x cube, we need to multiply these 2 and 3, and we'll get x to the power 6. So if there is a power in a letter and then there is another power over the power, so we need to multiply. You have to remember this. Do not add. That means this answer will not be x to the power 5. No, this will be x to the power 6. Now minus, this minus will remain as minus, so there is only 2, no numbers are there, and x cube and x, these two are multiplications, and this x and this x cube we will just add the power. That means x to the power 3 and x to the power 1. So 3 plus 1 will be x to the power 4. Again, clearly you just understand that if there is a power and another power within the power, so we need to multiply these two. But if we just multiply any letter with another similar letter, then we just add the power. This is a similar thing. Then we just write y, only y is there, and if we say this individually, x square and then y square. Whole bracket square means individually square within y and x. So this is the answer of number E. This is the answer of number E. So we have done E. Now for G, H, I, you can use those similar formula for your answers. Now let's do number I. Number I says square of minus xyz minus abc. What can we do here? We can just do minus xyz minus abc whole square. Here we have to say that the total thing, that means this minus xyz as a, if we put this thing as a and this three things as b, we can just use a minus b whole square formula. That means minus xyz whole square, that means a square, minus 2 times minus xyz times b, b means abc, and plus abc whole square. And if we calculate here, this minus power 2, every time minus times minus will be plus, and there will be three squares individually, that means x square, y square, and z square, minus, and this minus and this minus will be plus, minus times minus will be plus, so 2 abc xyz, and then we can write a square, b square, and c square, which is completes answer number I. Uh, Question number J, you can solve by using the minus formula. K and L, you can use example number 2. These are example number 2, example number 2, example number 2, but minus formula. M number will be minus formula, right? M number will be minus 600. You can write 600 minus 3. 597, you can write 600 minus 3, so you use the minus formula. Now N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, all are similar. We just need to just show any one from these questions. Say we do number R, right? Square of x square minus y square minus z square. Before starting this one, we just can write x square minus y square minus z square whole square. We need to find this one. Now time to learn for another another formula. There is another formula. Next chapter you can learn this one, but I want to show you in this lesson. A plus b plus c whole square. What is the formula of this one? This one simply just we can write a square plus b square plus c square, and then 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This is the simple formula, and using this formula we can write we can find the square of this number. That means x square is my a, so a square, then plus, we can use the plus formula, because if we say just minus y square our b, so minus y square and then square, so minus y is our b and minus z is our c, so this is c, so plus minus z whole square, that means a square plus b square plus c square, and then we can write 2 times a means x square, and then b means minus y square, right? Then another plus symbol, then 2, and b means minus y square, and then c means minus z square, and then another plus 2 times a means x square, and c means minus z square. So if we calculate here x square and then square, it will be x to the power 4. We just multiply 2 times 2 because there is a power over the power, so this will be x to the power 4, and then plus this minus will become plus when squared, then y square will be y to the power 4. This minus also becomes plus, and we write plus z square means z square and square, so it will be z to the power 4, right? And here 2 times x square minus y square, that means this minus will be remain as minus because there is only one minus and one plus, so plus times minus will be minus 2x square y square. Next one, it will remain plus because there is a minus, another minus, two minuses, that means if we multiply this 2 minus, we will get plus, so the answer will be plus 2y square z square. And finally we can write this 2 as minus 2x squared z square. So this will be the answer of number R. I hope you understand. If you repeat this video again and again, and then you will gradually understand it. So we have already seen some maths from this chapter. We have finished R. So N, O, P, Q, R, S, all are same kind. You can use the formula of A plus B plus C whole square formula. And the formula you can get from the next chapter, that means chapter 4.2. All right, this is the our today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the class, and I hope we will meet again in the next class. And until then, goodbye.